Hi, Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher here, and I'm spotlighting people on LinkedIn and celebrating how some of my contacts are using their voices in the world. And today I want to spotlight someone I only know through LinkedIn. She's one of my connections here, Ann Silvers. And this is what Ann has to say about herself. I love helping people have better relationships with partners, friends, coworkers, and with themselves. And I want to make it easier for others to do the same. Through many years of working with people in groups, studies, and individually, I designed and honed materials that teach useful skills in an easy to grasp way. These materials, which have greatly improved my client results, are now available for other therapists and leaders to use in their work. She has 12 books on Amazon. She says, my career and personal life has taught me not only what works in relationships, but also what doesn't work, leading me to write the groundbreaking book, Abuse of Men by Women. It happens, it hurts, and it's time to get real about it. Her specialties include communication skills, emotional intelligence, relationship skills, anxiety, partner abuse, using hypnosis and meditation to support change, and integrative medicine for mental health. And Anne has made some posts here that have really caught my interest, and this is some of the reasons why. She says, my science background coupled with my counseling training and experience helped me take intangible subjects like emotions and present them in a concrete, simple, systematic way that people find easy to understand and use. So that is Ann Silvers. Check out her work if you haven't done so already. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And to book your 30-minute consultation to find out more about your authentic voice and how it works, you can find me at laurahandke.com or right here on LinkedIn.